as the guard settles around this particular the relatives gather and report to the now all of you know as the director is unfurling the tricolor to mark the 74th Independence Day celebrations. Please come
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। has came as a big help in the southern region. And I was identified as a nodal center for Bidor, where thousands of kits and reagents were transferred from Delhi and other places to NI, where we took the huge responsibility of distribution. While ICMR was validating, identifying the labs and controlling and validating the kits and distributing here in southern region, NI took the responsibility. And towards this endeavor, we had dedicated services from scientists and technical staff, particularly from Dr. Sudhir Ghosh and supported by Rajan Nayak, Dr. Santosh, and the team was led by Dr. Dini. So initially we had only one team because the responsibility was much lesser. But now if you see in the outline, we were doing hundreds of tests throughout the country, COVID testing. Now we are able to do more than 4 lakh tests per day. That is a scale that we have scaled up so much in the last few months throughout the country. So naturally, and I also started getting more kits and therefore more teams were formed that as directed by ICMR. So in this endeavor, apart from Dinesh and Sudhir Ghosh and their team, other teams also joined in, where Dr. Lakshmaya and Dr. Uday, Dr. Jyoti Babu and Srishwan, Sureka, to name a few. Again, many other people are not getting in mind now. Many people supported this endeavor wholeheartedly. They did a dedicated service. I mean, although facing challenges of transport and the threats from COVID, all of them showed exemplary dedication towards this endeavor, and I really profusely thank one and all. Thank you, sir. So apart from this different services, we also had a huge responsibility of conducting service facing the threats of this COVID-19. So our team, I mean, nearly 100 people worked towards this, from technical staff, scientific staff, supporting staff, and also stores department also rose up to the occasion. Every day they used to travel. Imagine during the lockdown with lots of challenges of transport, the stores department, the maintenance department, and electrical department, all these people, without electricity, without ACs and this, we cannot preserve the chemicals and the samples. So all these departments rose up to the occasion. Every day they used to struggle and come do your service wholeheartedly without any complaints. So I profusely thank one and all. Nearly 100 people served in this. They were attending extreme temperature, wearing personal protection gear like PPE, mask, and then shields and all. The temperature was very high when they were sweating inside, and all of them did this dedicated service. They went to rural areas and also containment zones that were supposed to be there and did this service. So this is exemplary dedicated service that NI has shown. So, staff from NI has shown. Apart from this, I would also like to place on record the services done by our security staff. Then most of us, at least 50% of the staff, were there in lockdown, in the safety of their houses. Security cannot do that because security is of immense importance and they have to come every day, once again facing the challenges of transport and COVID threats. So they again showed a great sense of responsibility and dedication. If I have to tell them quickly, कोविड-19 द्वारा उत्पन्न हुए चुनौतियों और खतरों के सामना करने के अलावा हमारे सुरक्षा कर्मचारियों को कई बार इंट्रूडर्स और हमारे अपने हिसाब से कई समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ा और ये हमारी अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए ही करें। इसलिए we have to remember that they did all this only for our safety. If you know, most of the institutes here, 30, 40, 50 cases or hundreds of positive cases are there. But here in NIN, because of their dedicated security staff dedicated services and because of the maintenance staff's regulation and strict rules, we could contain the transmission of COVID within the institute. Even now, the throats and positive cases are limited to only 5 to 6. And if you take blood antibodies positive, it is limited to not more than 10 to 15. That transmission of COVID has been contained to a large extent within the institute. It's because of the dedicated services of our security staff and our maintenance department. Once again, let us do a big round of applause to the security staff and the maintenance department. नहीं दिखाई, इसके लिए हम आभारी और धन्यवाद करते। जय हिंद, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Now it's time for right distribution time. Before we go ahead with the announcement of the prize, because of this extraordinary situation, because of the pandemic, we are not distributing prizes this time. We are announcing the prizes of the best research scholar and also those who have completed their PhD. That Dr. Vijayalakshmi, Academic Conference Convener will do. But before that, I request the director to give away prizes to 5 of the security staff as a token, and others will be given the prizes because we do not allow prizes to be given to everyone. Only 5 will be given as a symbolic now. May I request ma'am to come forward and the prizes distributed and follow the names. Shri N. Krishna Reddy, its honorary lieutenant. Shri Krishna Reddy, who is security supervisor. S.C. Oya is ex-Havildar, is a security guard. Please come forward. P.G. Venkatesh, ex-Havildar, security guard. Please come forward. Shri S. Supatrao, ex-9, also security guard. Please come forward. Shri S.S. Gurappa, Shri S.S. Gurappa, ex-9, security guard. Please come forward. All the others also please see that we receive the tips from the director, but because of the situation, we just wanted to limit the contact. Thank you so much. Shri Tirupati Ram, Shri Gurappa. Thank you, ma'am. I'll now invite Dr. V. Vijayalakshmi, scientist and also convener of the academic council to please announce the prizes of the best research scholar and the parameters considered, as well as the doctorate awarded from the Institute between January 26 this year and August 15.
Colleagues and all the students who are watching online. And as you know, the director has initiated one of the best research scholar award. Just to have an encouragement from the we have actually selected Dr. Kumar's student. He is Paramita Banerjee. Paramita Banerjee, she tops the list with respect to the publications, with respect to the correspondence, what is corresponding to Lancet Healthcare public issue, and also attending the workshop and deliberating the work what we have actually academic Dr. Sivaram and Dr. Banu is also part of the lead. And we also have the other candidates also was equally meritorious. Dr. Vanu is the guide, and Vedanta Vidya, she also has got very important publication, and Dr. Kumar was and in addition to these students, we want to say that we are very happy with the performance of all the students, you know, and also the guides
and the director for the same. And in addition to that, we also have
more important, students, other important
felicitated with their doctoral degree despite the COVID pandemic. You know, they have actually made it. So that is what is more important. And Dr. Rajesh Kumar, he has got the degree from awarded under the supervision of Dr. G. Banu Prakash Reddy from Osmania University, and very recently in July 2020. So the big clap for Dr. Rajesh. And Dr. N. Himaja, and working with Dr. R. Hemalata, our director. She got in August 20th. She defended her thesis exceedingly well. Dr. A. Kiran Kumar, he is with Dr. Madhavan Nair. He got it in March 2020. And Dripta Roy, again with Dr. Madhavan Nair in the field faculty of nutrition, she got in August 20th. So we place, you know, our appreciation from the institute and from each one of us, their hard work and, you know, getting converted into a degree. That's really is. And the certificates would be distributed by the director, because carrying the NIN certificate is going to have lot of meritorious and for the job prosperity. So these are the important achievements from the academic.
Atmanirbhar competition में these two scientific category and student.
And in addition to that, we had recently conducted the Atmanirbhar Bharat competition, and we had both categories of students as well as the scientists. So under the scientist category, we have Dr. N. Harishankar, who has participated in speaking in Telugu and conveying the, you know, the focus of the meeting. And followed by Uma Chitra, who is given in for her presentation and participation in English. And a big hands to both of them. And because it was a very short time, and they were able to really come up with the key points. And among the students, we have Richa Pandey and Dr. Bharati Kulkarni, student from the clinical division. She did an excellent job, and we also place our deep appreciation for Richa Pandey. So thank you one and all for the same.
Thank you very much, ma'am. And before we disperse and Dr. Dinesh comes forward for vote of thanks, I have a small announcement that the passageway to the new clinical division will be inaugurated, as well as the renovated conference hall will be inaugurated by the director now. And the snacks for the scientists and the invitees will be in the conference hall, renovated conference hall, while the maintenance staff and the support staff and security will be assembling near the assembly hall for the snacks. Thank you all for your participation, and may I request Dr. Dinesh to complete.
सर, आज़ादी के इस संदर्भ में, इतने बड़े मौसम में, आज आप सब सिक्योरिटी स्टाफ को और मेरे स्टाफ को मैं थैंक्स देना चाहता हूं, और खासकर हमारे डायरेक्टर ने जो डेयरिंग स्टेप लिया है, इतने बारिश में भी ओपन में खड़ा है, आपकी सबकी तालियों की ज़रूरत है। अभी सब लोगों की तालियां और ज़रा जोर से बजाइए, क्योंकि स्नैक्स भी अरेंज किए गए हैं, 2 बड़े बड़े बिल्डिंग्स का इनाग्रेशन है, इसलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक्स टू ऑल, थैंक्स टू सिक्योरिटी गार्ड, थैंक यू मैडम वेरी मच। या नाउ अभी हम कनेक्टिंग लिंक को इनाग्रेट कर रहे। भारती जी, जरा आप आगे आना पड़ेगा मैडम के साथ। अभी आप पूरे लोग मेरे साथ जय हिंद बोलेंगे। जय हिंद, जय हिंद, जय हिंद। धन्यवाद।
The camera team, please follow to the inauguration. After the passageway, then we... No, security people are going into the shelter. They are going to the assembly hall. Yeah. All maintenance and security people, please go.